Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Wednesday. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about some of my Amazon Prime favorites. People who know me in real life know how much I love Amazon. Everything I get, every time somebody asks me where something's from, it's always from Amazon. So I want to show you guys some of like my favorite purchases from Amazon. There's honestly too many to keep track of. Like, I was walking through my house and I'm like, there's probably so many things that I have from Amazon, but like, it's just so much a part of my everyday life that like, I can't even remember everything that I picked up from there. Also, before we get into the video, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for 13,000 subscribers. You guys have no idea how happy I was. Like, it made my day. It made my day. So thank you, each and every one of you who have subscribed and who have supported my videos. I truly love and appreciate each and every one of you so much. With that being said, to show my appreciation and my gratitude for you guys, I do want to put together a giveaway. But before I do that, I want to know, what are some things you want to see in a giveaway? Do you want to have like a giveaway of some of my favorite like must-have items, some of my favorite makeup products? Like, what do you guys want to see in a giveaway? Please let me know in the comments down below. That way I get some insight so I can put that together for you guys, because I truly just love you guys so much. With that being said, before we continue the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and let's get started. One of my first Amazon essentials is actually right in front of me. It's pretty much all of my studio lighting. So all of my studio lighting, my ring light, I have 2 box lights. Those are both from Amazon. I'm actually going to show you guys the setup on my phone. I'll quickly record it. So this is the setup I have here. This is my ring light. And then I have another box light here. And then also this little mic is from Amazon as well. But everything you see here from Amazon, super affordable. It's definitely a good option if you're wanting to start YouTube videos, or if you just need lighting for like photography or makeup. Definitely check out Amazon because they have some really good options that work great. I also love Amazon for organization. So one of the things that has changed my life is this little Amazon earring stand here. It's plastic. It gets the job done. You just can't move it everywhere. But I have 2 of these in my room, and this has helped me really organize my earrings and get the most out of my jewelry, because I can see everything. It's not just like tucked away or thrown on like the table or anything. These, I want to say, were about like $5, and I'm obsessed. I'm so happy with my purchase. I started off with just having one and I liked it so much I got a second one. Hold on, my dog is barking. Continuing with the organization type of thing, I also love these packing cubes that I got from Amazon. So the set I got from Amazon came with, I think, 6 of them, 2 big ones, and then a couple of smaller ones. But this just makes it so easy when I'm traveling. I'll put all my shirts in one of these cubes, all my pants in another one, underwear and socks in another one. It makes it so easy, because then if you have to sift through your luggage, you're not making a mess and throwing everything around. You can just take out your shirt cube, look through your shirts, zip it back up, put it away. It makes it so much easier. It's also so helpful if you're like me and you overpack. My last trip, I was like over the weight amount for my luggage. So instead of having to pay $75 more, all I did was take out one of my cubes, threw them in Alex's bag, and it just made it so much easier to just take out some weight from my luggage versus trying to pull out a bunch of shoes and shirts while there's like a line of people behind you. I swear by these. You don't realize how much you need these until you have them, and then you're like, how did I get by without it? So moving on from organization, we're gonna get into like designer dupes, I guess you could say. So another one of my Amazon favorites are these glasses here. Hello. So these glasses, as you can see here, I got these not long ago. I want to say they were about $10. I just think they look so luxe and high-end. And these are, I guess, supposed to be dupes of like Celine glasses. Celine glasses. And I guess these are kind of like dupes of Celine glasses. They have the little dots there. They're faded at the rim, tortoiseshell detailing. If you're like me and you lose stuff easily and you break stuff easily, sunglasses, like, I don't invest too much in them just because I'm clumsy. I'll sit on them. So I thought these were perfect, super cute, super trendy, but I won't feel terrible if I lose these versus if I lost a pair of like $500 glasses. I'm gonna be like depressed for a week. Another Amazon purchase that I recently picked up that I have been obsessed with is this adorable little bag here. So this is, I guess, supposed to be kind of like a dupe of the Chloe bracelet bag. So you get a little bracelet here. It has a little strap that you can detach here as well. You got a pocket in the back, a good amount of room on the inside. I just think this is so cute. It fits exactly what you need. And I've been eyeing the Chloe bags for a while. I think they look so cute. I just haven't gotten myself to spend $1,500 on it just because I feel like they're very trendy pieces, but in my personal opinion, I don't think it'll be timeless. I think they'll be out of style in a little bit. Whereas if I invested in like a Louis Vuitton or Chanel bag, those tend to not go out of style. Those have been in style for years and years and years. Something like this, I'm not sure how long the trend will be around. So I got this. It was, I want to say $42. The quality is really nice. It looks so cute with so many outfits. It's so convenient. It's like the perfect size. It fits exactly what you need. This is such a cute buy. I'm so happy with it, and I've used it so much since I got it that I want to get it in the beige and the black as well. All right, so the next dupe I have are these beauties here. These kind of look like dupes of the Valentino shoes. I feel like everybody has dupes of these shoes. That's why I justified getting it. These shoes were made beautifully. Like, they're such good quality. They're comfortable. They're sturdy. They look cute with so many outfits. I'm just obsessed. So these are definitely, I feel like, a must if you don't want to splurge and spend like $700 on a pair of Valentinos. Pick these up, see how much you wear it, and then you can invest in the good thing. And then my last little dupe that I love is this makeup bag. This is the Daisy Rose makeup bag that everybody always talks about. It's supposed to, I guess, look like the Louis Vuitton Demier. I never know how to say it. But this is made with such good quality. It fits so much makeup. Like, you wouldn't think it would, but it does. It just fits so much in a nice compact bag. It goes in pretty deep, pretty wide. So whenever I travel, I can pretty much fit all of my makeup in here, and it just makes it so easy to carry it around. You can see the inside's already dirty, so I feel much better putting my makeup in a bag that is like $20 versus a bag that's like $600. And another, I guess, kind of dupe or lookalike thing from Amazon is this scarf that I got. I just think it's so pretty. It kind of resembles like a Burberry scarf. It's not like an exact dupe, but you get that kind of vibe from it. This was $5, and I just think it's so cute. I showed this in my fall haul video. I just think that it's perfect. Like, you get that vibe from it without having to spend $300 on a scarf, especially being that I live in Florida. There's like no need for me to spend money on a scarf when it's rarely ever cold here. So this is perfect. It's super soft. The quality feels nice. It doesn't look or feel cheap. So love this purchase. Another Amazon purchase that I love and I take with me anytime I'm traveling is this cute little Victorian mirror here. I don't want to blind you guys, but it looks like this. And the reason I love this, especially for traveling, is because it folds up. So this literally fits perfect in my makeup bag. So it's perfect for when I'm traveling, if I need a handheld mirror, or if there's not a good mirror, or if I have to like be stuck in the corner that has the good lighting with the window, I can do that with this. And I just think it's so cool how you can pack it up, slip it in your bag, and you're good to go. On the topic of makeup bags and makeup mirrors, my favorite lashes from Amazon are these ones right here. I'm gonna leave the link down below. To be honest, Amazon has some of the best lashes. Like, they're cheaper than drugstore prices and you get better quality, but they look like this here. They're what I actually have on today. These are my favorite because you get the perfect blend of like glam and natural, so it's not overpowering to your makeup. You can still see your shadow peeking through since they're nice and wispy, but they'll give you enough drama, make it look like you have a little extra lash there without, again, taking over your entire eye look. And what I like about them too is that the lash band is flexible, but it's thick enough to where they'll last you a long time. So I'll reuse the same pair like 5 or 6, sometimes even 10 times before I grab for a new pair. It's also really nice too because I don't know if you can see, but they are kind of like layered, so you get a little bit more flare out of them. It's a win-win. All right, you guys, so I guess that wraps it up for some of my Amazon favorites that I love. I definitely want to incorporate these videos more often just because literally I feel like every other day I'm getting a new package from Amazon, like all the time. It's just so convenient. It's definitely changed the game. It's made me so much more of a homebody because instead of going to like the store, I just see if Amazon has it and I'm like, I'll wait the extra day. If you did enjoy this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Wednesday when I upload. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.